In this video, we'll go over the log amplitude sweep stimulus. This stimulus is a single sine frequency. It's swept logarithmically through various levels. It's commonly used for testing linearity with different stimulus levels or testing devices with automatic gain control. It can also be used in conjunction with advanced analysis algorithms to look at characteristics such as THD versus stimulus level. For this stimulus step, let's change the output path to Bluetooth headset. Now instead of using voltage for our level, it'll be using full scale. We'll change here from our log frequency sweep to log amplitude sweep. Here, instead of setting a level, we actually set the frequency, because that is what stays static throughout. If we change the frequency level here, it will affect the length of our sweep. The higher the frequency, the shorter the sweep, and the lower the frequency, the longer the sweep. This is related to the step progression in size. Here we manually change how many steps there are, and the step size is the jump in level between each of the steps. If we double the step numbers, we will cut the step size in half and double our length. Cycles is how long we spend at each step. So if we cut that in half, we will cut the length in half. Using this example, our frequency is set at 500 Hz. One cycle of a 500 Hz sine wave is 2 milliseconds. Each of our steps will be 6 times 2 milliseconds, and since we have 38 steps, we'll be spending 12 milliseconds at 38 steps, which equals about 450 milliseconds. The level start is the amplitude level that we begin at. We can sweep from low amplitude to high amplitude, or from a higher amplitude to a lower amplitude.